Uy! Cut! Cut! Oh! Hello guys. Oh. Kuha ka. Baby. Oh! Oh, Nico, stuck. Stuck. Grabe. Nico. Paano natin ito yung mababalik? Ang hirap ibalik nito eh. Nico, tulong. Kain mo to. Oh. Ang ganda ng piling. Ito guys. Don't forget this guy. Oh. My friend. You are the best. Oh. Door stuck. Oh. Hindi ko na makuha ASMR Filipino moments. Ay, wait. Oh, ikaw pwede mo lang giganto. Ang sarap ng pilo. Door stuck. Cut. Door stuck. Cut. Massage. Door stuck. Nico. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ang bilis. Ang bilis mag-ano. Ang bilis. Ang bilis naman nito mag... No. Nico. I-pause mo to ASMR funny moments. Oh my god. Nega. Gawin ko. Yung ball. No.
Dito sa labas dyan na.
Hindi ko alam. Ayaw niya eh.
Ayin.
Ayaw niya pumasok. Hindi yan problema ko, mama.
Natanong ko lang eh. Problema ka ba?
Ayaw.
Ha?
Why is there a ball? Oh, stuck. Wait, Kain. Look at this, guys. Look his face. POV. When I need to go poo poo, but my poop.
Dennis, why dyan?
POV, I need to go poo poo, but my poo poo already. Mm, iron fly. Stuck.
This is not an ASMR.
This is ASMR Filipino funny moments. Kaya!
Wait, look. Massage. Guys, massage. Look. Wait, massage. Look guys, massage. No, not like that. Not like that. Like that. Like this.
Ayan, ang kulit mo, ha? Nico, pwede mo!
This is why sipon.
POV, I need to poop, but the poop already.
Hello.
Oh!
This is the poop, guys. Look. This is the poop.
Massage. Oh!
The balls. My balls. What?
Tulong.
Bakit?
Stuck! When you get stuck.
When you get stuck in the slime.
What the frick are you doing to your phone?
Oh.
What the frick?
Look at this, guys. Look at this. My booger has get out.
Rage!
The rain.
Rage! Kuhain mo cellphone mo. Pakita mo. Lagay mo sa tip. Ayun. Range.
No, this is the... Wait, guys. Give me my slime. Give me my slime.
Stuck.
Give.
Stuck.
Oh, ouch.
Ouch! Ouch!
That's the range. This is not our ASMR now.
May nakita lang akong patas dyan ng slime, ha? Dinikit yan sa kung saan manda ka.
Pancake. My name is Slime. This is not an ASMR video anymore, bro. This is just a funny video.
Let's make it ASMR now.
Bro, make it. Make it.
Just take a spoon.
Bro.
What?
Get away. Bro, we have to be like this. Hello, so we can see our faces. Oh! Oh! Oh!
That is my fault. That is my fault. I'm not gonna do that again. Nico and Kain corn. What is that? This is my pee. Look, this is my pee. My hands. Kain, help me.
I do not want to. Because I am peeing right now.
Oh my god, I don't want to see that again. I don't want to see that again.
Dapat na nagagawa tayo ng ASMR videos eh, ano? Mas maganda eh. Sa ano lang. Sa mga stickman natin. Eh, ano. Dapat ASMR videos na lang eh. I want to pee. I want to pee. Tasty pee. Go, 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 go.
That was a big pee. This is my pee.
You are so...
Corn. Booger pee.
Let me touch it.
Deserve.
Cut.
Deserve.
Thank you for the boob. It's stuck. It's stuck. Kika! I'm paying boogers now. Stuck.
Ayun.
Stuck. I hate you.
Kain, look.
What?
Don't forget that is my slide.
Oh my god. Oh.
Back shot.
No. Come. No. Bonk. Chili.
Oh, headshot.
You dead.